Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning Never Ends. Hope you all are vaccinated and happy. Now today topic is chemical reactions and their types. What are the types of chemical reactions? So first of all we will discuss about what is chemical reactions. So chemical reactions are the reactions in which breaking or making of chemical bonds of atoms and elements occur to form new substances or the products. Means first one is reactants and the second one is products. So some of the reactants produce some of the substances by the help of chemical equations. So reactants make or break to form new substances, that is products. These are the chemical reactions by the help of chemical bonds. Now type of chemical reaction. There are 6 type of chemical reactions. Sorry, 8 type of chemical reactions are there. The first one is combination reaction. The second one is decomposition reaction. The third one is displacement reaction. The fourth one is double displacement reaction. The fifth one is oxidation reaction. The sixth one is reduction reaction. The seventh one is exothermic reaction, and the eighth one is endothermic reactions. So these are the 8 types of chemical reactions. The first one is combination reactions. Combination reactions, name से ही पता चल रहा है, it means 2 or more reactants combine together to form a product. Decomposition reaction, as name indicates, 2 or more reactants decompose. Decompose means breakdown. In this case combination, in this case breakdown. So decompose, 2 or more reactants decompose together to form a product. Displacement reaction, in this reaction one reactant displaces the another reactant to form a new product. In this reaction, in the double displacement reaction, 2 or more, both the, or you can say both the reactants displaces to form another product. The fifth one is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction are the type of reaction in which one element is oxidized when it combined with the oxygen. Reduction reaction means reduces of oxygen. Seventh one is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction are the type of reaction in which in which heat is released or evolved. And the last one is endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction are the type of reactions in which the heat is absorbed during the reaction. Okay, so अब हम इसे पढ़ते हैं. The first one is combination reaction. रिएक्शंस के साथ समझते हैं अब हम इन्हें. कॉम्बिनेशन मीन्स these type of reaction in which 2 or more reactant combine together to form a product. So combine, short में लिख देती हूँ मैं, those type of reaction in which 2 or more reactant combine together to form product. Combine like Mg plus Cl2 means magnesium plus chlorine gas reacts, or you can say combines to form MgCl2. So it is the combination reaction where two reactants combine together to form a one product. रिएक्टेंट साइड में 2 और मोर प्रोडक्ट रिएक्टेंट्स हो सकते हैं, बट प्रोडक्ट साइड में कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में ओनली एंड ओनली 1 प्रोडक्ट होगा. अनदर एग्जाम्पल लाइक Ag plus Cl2 gives AgCl. Done. C plus O2 gives CO2. So these are the examples of combination reaction where two or more reactants combine together to form a single product. Okay, the next one is decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction are the reactions in which decompose, क्या डिकम्पोज हो रहा है, रिएक्टेंट डिकम्पोज टुगेदर, डिकम्पोज टू फॉर्म टू और मोर प्रोडक्ट्स. मीन्स ये कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन के जस्ट अपोजिट है. कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में क्या था, एक से दो या दो से ज़्यादा रिएक्टेंट कंबाइन करके एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट बना रहे थे. इसमें सिंगल प्रोडक्ट डिकम्पोज होकर टू और मोर प्रोडक्ट्स बने. लाइक Mg, यही एग्जाम्पल्स लिख सकते हैं. ईजी करने के लिए मैं सेम एग्जाम्पल यूज़ कर रही हूँ सो दैट आपको बार बार एग्जाम्पल्स लर्न नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. रिएक्टेंट साइड प्रोडक्ट साइड बन जाएगा, प्रोडक्ट साइड रिएक्टेंट साइड. डन. सो दीज आर दी decomposition reaction where one reactant decompose to form two or more products. Now the third one is displacement reaction. Those type of displacement reaction are the type of reaction in which one reactant displaces another reactant to form new substances. Example, CuSO4 is a copper sulfate, zinc. It is a zinc and it is copper sulfate. So zinc is more active than its reactivity is more than the copper, so it can displace copper from copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate and copper is displaced. So here ZnSO4 plus Cu. Here zinc displaces copper from copper sulfate to form zinc sulfate and copper is displaces. Another example, iron. Fe is the symbol of iron. Iron displaces copper to form iron sulfate and copper is displaced here. So these are the examples of displacement reaction where one atom displaces another atom of reactant to form another substance. Now the fourth one is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is the type of reaction in which both the atom of reactant side displaces each other to form new product. For example, ZnSO4 plus CuCl2. Here Zn displaces copper to form ZnCl plus 2 plus CuSO4. Here Zn displaces copper from copper chloride to form zinc chloride and copper displaces Zn to form copper sulfate. The next example is Na2SO4 plus BaCl2, that is sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Here sodium displaces barium from barium chloride to form sodium chloride NaCl and barium displaces sodium from Na2SO4, that is sodium chloride, to form barium sulfate. Done. It is the balanced double displacement reaction. Now the fifth one is oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, those oxidation reaction are the type of reaction in which one atom or element is oxidized when comes in the contact of air. Means कोई भी element है like zinc है, magnesium है, ये जब भी ऑक्सीजन के साथ कंबाइन होंगे, एयर में ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट होती है तो इसके साथ कंबाइन करके ये अपना ऑक्साइड्स बनाते हैं, ZnO और MgO. So these are the zinc oxide and magnesium oxide. So in this reaction, Zn is oxidized to form Zn oxide, and Mg is also oxidized to form MgO when they come in the contact of oxygen. The sixth reaction is reduction reaction. So reduction reaction means जहाँ पर reduce हो जाता है, like ZnO. Here ZnO to Zn plus O2, or you can say MgO. इसका opposite है product side reactant side product side. Means here Zn is reduced to form ZnO is reduced to form Zn plus O2, and MgO reduced to form Mg plus O2. So this is the reduction reaction. Now the last one is exothermic and endothermic reaction. So exothermic reaction in which heat is released. And endothermic reaction, eighth and the last one is endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction in which heat is absorbed. So all the exothermic reactions are the combination reactions. मीन्स जो हमारा एग्जाम्पल्स हमने कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन में यूज़ किए हैं वही एग्जाम्पल्स हम एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो मैं अगेन नहीं लिख रही हूँ, यही एग्जाम्पल्स आपके एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन में आ जाएंगे. एंड एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन आर द टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इन विच हीट इज रिलीज्ड, बिकॉज इन दिस केस हीट इज रिलीज्ड. And all the decomposition reactions are the examples of endothermic reactions. So same examples जो decomposition reaction के हैं वो endothermic reaction में होंगे, because decomposition reaction में हमारी heat क्या होती है, absorb होती है. That's why all the decomposition reactions are the examples of endothermic reaction. So hope you all get my point. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.